That is a concern for me, and I think it's utterly unacceptable that that's happened. It's not on. I'm really saddened that it happened, quite frankly. It's not the Wicklow or the community that I know and have lived in all my life. And I think Pride has been such a great moment of both celebration of inclusion and diversity in Ireland, but also a moment of protest and challenge that we must do more, we must do better, and that our journey isn't finished. And I find it highly regrettable that that has happened in relation to that, and particularly some of what I read in relation to I'm trying to find the appropriate word, but in relation to how individual organisers were perhaps intimidated or targeted in some way. Look, in relation to my own situation, I don't really wish to comment on it other than to say obviously this is a clearly unacceptable situation. Even the word hoax I'm not sure is a fair word with respect, because I've no doubt these things are done to intimidate, to upset. I have young children, I have a wife, and this is an utterly unacceptable situation. I do think, and I say this really respectfully, I do think all of us in our discourse, including media, need to reflect on how we sometimes comment on these matters. You know, if masked men turned up outside your house, it wouldn't be described as protest. It's not protest when it happens outside my house either. And, you know, this situation can't be allowed to continue.